cheaper to use CDN than it is to use GCS or S3. So for example, and I'm talking here specifically about the native product to each cloud provider, not using Fastly or Akamai. But if you're using CloudFront with AWS, then the data transfer from EC2 to CloudFront is free. And then the data transfer from S3 to CloudFront, and then from CloudFront out to the internet is cheaper than it is directly. So even though S3 is a web protocol, if you can offload that data transfer out in your application, whatever it is, if you can set up your cloud, your CDN to pull the data from that, then, or your application, sorry, to pull the data from the CDN, then you're going to be saving money without actually having any problems. And in fact, you probably end up with better performance because these things are designed for transferring data around the world, right? And caching and all those sorts of things. So, I mean, the biggest mistake that I see with CDNs is people not using them for use cases when they make sense. And sometimes they're not quite so obvious.